Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use a sample Chrome extension. First, let's understand what Chrome extensions are. These small software programs enhance your browser's capabilities, offering a wide range of functions from blocking ads to managing your tabs. They are designed to personalize your browsing experience and make your daily tasks more efficient. You can find thousands of useful extensions in the Chrome Web Store, most of which are completely free to download and use. To begin, open your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. You can easily find it by searching online or through your browser's menu. Once there, use the search bar on the left to type in the name of the extension you're looking for or browse by category. When you find one you like, simply click the Add to Chrome button. A small pop-up will ask for confirmation. Click Add Extension to complete the installation in just a few seconds. After installation, you'll typically see a small icon appear in your browser's toolbar. If not, click the puzzle piece icon, which reveals all your installed extensions. You can pin your favorite ones to the toolbar for easy, one-click access. To manage an extension, right-click its icon or go to Manage Extensions from the puzzle piece menu. Here, you can adjust settings, grant or revoke permissions, or even remove an extension you no longer need with just a couple of clicks. To ensure a smooth and secure browsing experience, always download extensions from the official Chrome Web Store. Be mindful of the permissions and extension requests. Only grant what is absolutely necessary for its function. Periodically, take a moment to review your installed extensions. If you find any that you no longer use, it's a good practice to disable or remove them. This helps maintain your browser's speed and keeps your digital environment tidy and secure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.